Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a nickname on Facebook. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Facebook app. Once the app is open, you'll see your feed with all the latest posts from your friends and followers. Step 2. Now, locate your profile by tapping on your profile picture or your name at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Facebook profile. Step 3. Next, locate the Edit Profile option and tap on it. Step 4. Now, scroll down to locate the Edit Your About Info option and tap on it. Step 5. Next, scroll down to locate the Add Other Name option and tap on it. Step 6. For the last and most important step, select the other name to add, then type the name and choose the Save option to add a nickname instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.